Hello children, in this video we are going to learn how to do the construction of different type of angles. So basically for the construction we need some instruments that are pencil, a compass, divider, a ruler, a protractor and set squares. Set squares have different type of angles which you can see on your screen. So keep all these things ready with you when you start construction. As we move on through the construction, make sure that you do along with the video, and if there is any difficulty, you can rewind or pause whenever required. So first we start with the construction of 60 degree. To construct an angle of 60 degree, first draw a baseline with the help of ruler. If in a question any measurement is given, you can draw according to that. Otherwise, without any specific measurement, you can draw a baseline. Then take a compass. Now put the compass needle on the initial point of the baseline. Take some radius in compass. Distance between needle of compass and the tip of the pencil is called the radius. You just draw an arc like this and only this much. No need to draw a complete circle. After this, take out your compass and without changing the length of the radius, keep the needle of the compass here like this and then draw the small arc over here on top of this arc like this. After this, with the help of ruler, you join this intersection point of arc and the initial point of baseline with the straight line, and then you will get the required 60 degree angle. Now let us construct the angle of 30 degree. So for this we will repeat the same procedure which we have done for the 60 degree angle. Make a baseline and make a circle, and this tip you just put here and make a small arc, and this intersection point we will join with the initial point of the baseline. So now here we are getting the 60 degree angle. So we will draw a dotted line to show the 60 degree angle. Now we are having two cutting points. One is this one, so we will put compass needle here and make an arc here, and then on the another intersection point we will, with the same radius, we will draw another arc, and this intersection point we are getting that we will join with the initial line of the baseline. Now this is representing 30 degree angle. I hope now you will follow the same steps which I have done. Let us construct angle 120. So for drawing this, let us draw a baseline. Now take a compass with some radius, any radius you can take here. Put the needle on the initial point of the baseline. Draw an arc which we have done in the 60 degree angle also. Same arc we will draw here. Now put the needle here and make a small arc 2 times, and in this duration we will not change the radius. Okay, here we have 2 cuts. The second cut is representing 120, so we will join with the initial point of the baseline. Now this is the required angle 120. Now let us construct angle 90 degree with the help of compass. So for construction, first of all we will draw a baseline with the help of ruler. Now just take a compass with any radius. Put the needle of the compass on the initial point of the baseline and draw an arc. Now with the same radius, draw another arc over here on the top of the arc and cut it 1 time. Now make another arc and cut second time. Upper side make 2 arcs with these given intersection points like this. Now we have another intersection point on the top of the arc. So now we will join with the help of ruler this intersection point with the initial point of the baseline. Now this is the required 90-degree angle. Now let us construct angle 45 degree with the help of compass. So for the 45-degree angle, first of all we will draw a baseline with the help of ruler. Then with the help of compass we will draw an arc here. We will put the needle on the initial point of the baseline. Now we will follow the same steps which we have done in the 90-degree angle. We will follow the same steps of the construction. Now basically we will make a 90-degree angle again. Draw another arc. Now we are getting a intersection point. We will join the initial point and the intersection point with the help of ruler, but this time we will draw a dotted line for the 90-degree because we want a 45-degree mainly. Now as the center of these points we will make 2 arcs and we will get one intersection point here. So the intersection point and the initial point we will join with the help of ruler, and this is the required 45-degree angle. I hope now it is clear to you. For perfection in the construction, you have to do the practice more and more. If you like the video, then like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.